يا معيد واشرح الصدور وحيي مميت ربنا اصلح القلوب يا حي يا قيوم واكشف الكروب يا حي.
Hi, hello, welcome back to my channel. So this is the mini inverter circuit or emergency lamp circuit, and this is actually a pretty simple circuit. There's not much to tell about it, except for this one TR1 here. This is a transformer. You can actually use transformer from your X cell phone charger, or if you want to make a manual transformer, you can use this as a reference. 30T as primary turns here and 200T as the secondary turns. Well, this 200T here is used to achieve or to reach 220 volt. So if you want to make it lower or higher voltage, you could add or lesser the turns. I had made this circuit or this schematic into real component, and I tested not only for emergency lamp, but also it could be used to turn on the radio for real. You can see it in the next part of my video. And even though this is a simple schematic or simple circuit, but it is powerful enough. But of course I'm not suggesting you to turn on your radio with this circuit or with the schematic, because the electricity wave from the schematic is pretty awful. It is not using the sinus wave, which is bad for your electronic device. So I am only suggesting you to use this schematic for emergency lamp. Well, I tested this schematic, it is working well. And if you find trouble turning on your lamp or turning on your LED, try to switch this line to here, otherwise this line to here. Okay, so I think that will be all. I hope you like this video and please try to test it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video. Bye.
يا معيد واشرح الصدور وحيي